Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. This is lesson number 8, Animal Reproduction part 3. In the previous two videos we have studied about the reproduction in animals. In the birds we have seen the life cycle of a hen. Then structure of an egg also we have studied. And in the insects we have seen life cycle of a butterfly. Okay. In today's video, we will discuss about life cycle of a cockroach. A female cockroach lays its eggs in a case in a dark and safe place. Each case has many eggs. So the female cockroach lays eggs in a case. Case means like a covering, like a shell, in a dark and safe place. Each case has many eggs. The eggs are left to hatch on their own. The eggs are left to hatch means to develop on their own. Each egg hatches into a young cockroach called nymph. Here you can see this is the grown-up adult cockroach. It lays eggs in a shell. Then from this shell, this egg hatch into a young cockroach. It is called nymph. Then this nymph, it looks like an adult cockroach, but it much smaller and does not have wings. So here you can see the difference. This young cockroach, which is called nymph, it is not having wings. The nymph eats leftover food, paper, cloth, and so on. So this nymph actually it eats paper, cloth, whatever is available for it, and many things. It grows bigger and sheds its skin several times before it becomes an adult. It changes its skin many times before becoming an adult. This shedding of skin is called molting. This shedding of skin is called molting. Thus a cockroach goes through 3 stages. You can see 3 stages. Cockroach to egg, egg to nymph, that is young cockroach, and from young cockroach to adult cockroach. So this process is called molting. So the cockroach goes through 3 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. Okay, so this is all about the life cycle of cockroach. Now we will see fish and frogs. In this we can see the life cycle of frog. Fish are aquatic animals that live in ponds. What is the meaning of aquatic? Aquatic? The organisms which live in water. So fish are aquatic animals that live in ponds, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. They lay hundreds of eggs at one time. Some eggs and baby fish are eaten by bigger fish. The ones that are left grow into an adult fish. So fish lays many hundreds of eggs, but every egg will not turn into the fish. It will be eaten by other fishes. Some eggs and baby fish are eaten by bigger fish. The ones that are left grow into adult fish. They breathe through their gills. Fish breathe in the water through their gills. Then the question is, how are fish and frogs alike? How they are same? Both fish and frog lay eggs in water. The young ones of both breathe through their gills. So frogs actually they breathe in the water through the young frogs, they breathe through the gills in water, and on the land they breathe through their skin. Okay. So how are frogs and fish are alike? Because they both lay eggs and young ones of both breathe through their gills. Then how they are different from each other, fish and frogs? A fish dies when taken out of water, but a frog can live both on land and in water. That's why it is called amphibian. Frog is called amphibian because it can live in water as well as on land. So now we will see life cycle of a frog. So as we have seen, frogs, they lay eggs. The mother frog lays hundreds of eggs. The mother frog lays hundreds of eggs in water. The eggs hatch into tadpoles. Means egg develop into tadpole. Here you can see frog, their eggs, hundreds of eggs. The eggs turn into tadpole. A tadpole is very different from an adult. Yes, if we compare the young frog, this tadpole will be very different and we can see incomplete. It has a tail but no legs. It feeds on pond weeds and breathes through the feathery gills on each side of its head. Okay. After a few weeks, the legs of the tadpole grows. The tadpole legs grows. The tadpole starts losing its tail. Then this tail will be disappeared. Their legs will grow and tail will be disappeared. The tadpole starts losing its tail. It begins to look like its parent. Now it is looking similar to an adult frog. When fully grown, the frog completely loses its tail. It comes out of the pond and starts living on damp land, eating insects, beetles and worms. When an adult frog comes out from the pond, there will be no tail on it. It eats insects, beetles and worms. An adult frog breathes through the lungs on the land and through the moist skin in water. So here we were talking about the young frog which breathes through the gills in the water. But adult frog, it breathes through the lungs on the land and through the moist skin in water. Okay, so this is all about frog and its life cycle. That's it for today's video. In the next video we will see the reptiles and the reproduction. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.